Welcome! If you're new to DCS or want to quickly get up to speed with the F-18C, you're in the right place. If you're reflying this mission, press spacebar to skip the intro and go straight to the action. Otherwise, we'll get started in a few minutes. In this mission, we're going to engage a pair of enemy aircraft with the F-18C's 20mm cannon. The objective of this mission is to shoot down both aircraft. You should now be able to see the enemy in the distance, marked by red text labels. The text labels display the aircraft type and show the distance from you in nautical miles. Accelerate to maximum speed. Push the throttles forward, page up repeatedly, and turn towards the nearest target. Your airspeed is measured in knots and is displayed in the top left of the heads-up display or HUD. Your altitude is measured in feet and is displayed in the top right of the HUD. Select the gun by pressing left shift plus X or your bound joystick button. Remember to combine buttons to whatever control input you wish via the adjust controls in the escape menu. Next, select the wide acquisition WAC radar by pressing right Alt plus Command. Notice that the HUD has changed. You are now in Radar Air Combat Maneuver ACM mode. Allows radar to assist your weapon aiming. Fly to place a target inside the circle on the HUD. Your aircraft will automatically radar lock it. Radar lock target will have a box or diamond around it. While we chase the enemy, take a moment to study the information cues on the HUD. If you need to, pause and unpause the mission using the pause break key. On the right is your range to target in nautical miles, and V sub C shows your closing velocity. The range to target marker is the small line inside the large circle. Right now it's near the top. You need to watch this marker as it shows when you should open fire. As you get closer, this marker will move counterclockwise. There is a fixed line outside the circle at the 4 o'clock position. When the range to target marker reaches the 4 o'clock marker position on the circle, look 4,000 feet away and can open fire. With a 20mm cannon, 4,000 feet is the maximum range you should shoot from. If you're finding the HUD cluttered, pay attention to your closing velocity. You may need to throttle back to give yourself more time to aim and shoot down the target. As mentioned previously, fly to put the target inside the aimed circle. You are aiming at the dot. With a 20mm cannon, 4,000 feet is the maximum range you should shoot from. Excellent shooting, just one enemy left. Your remaining ammunition is highlighted on the HUD. Can you shoot down the remaining aircraft? You should be nearby to your left. Remember to manage your airspeed using the throttle. You may have noticed that when engaged in the last aircraft, your aim and serve pivot may have wandered around the HUD. This is your radar compensating for the differences in velocity and distance between you and the target, which will often require you to lead your shots. As long as the pipper is over the target and you are in range, pulling the trigger should result in scoring hits. When a target is radar locked, you can undesignate it by pressing S. This is useful if you're locked onto an enemy that you no longer wish to engage or you wish to switch targets. Try pressing S and watch what happens. Your aircraft will break lock and will try to acquire and lock a new target. Well done. Both enemies have been downed and the mission is a success. You can watch a replay of the action using the Watch Track option on the debriefing screen. Press Escape and quit to end the mission. Once you're ready, load up Mission 2 for some air-to-air Sidewinder missile action. You can also fly a more detailed step-by-step tutorial of air-to-air gunnery in the training section.